Okay, everyone, I just wanted you to have a quick look at 7.19, one of the part of the questions of the activity at the end of chapter 7 under atrial arrhythmias. So basically, I'm going to have a look at the RR interval and start analyzing the strip. Step 1 is to look at whether or not the strip is regular, and obviously you can see with large spaces in here, and perhaps this is narrow in here, that this is an irregular rhythm. So I'm just going to see if I can find any regularity at all in this rhythm. That one is short. That one's a little bit long. This one is definitely long. This R interval is also long. This RR interval matches up. And this R interval matches up. And this interval is short again. Okay, so if we number these as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, if this is the regular interval because it's between 1 and 2 is regular, and 7, 8, and 9 are also regular, let's consider that for a moment to be the regular RR interval. If that's the case, then complex number 3 comes in early. Therefore, it's premature. Then we have a complex here, and we should expect to see something fall in here, but we don't. We don't see another complex till over here. And again, we have a complex, and again, we're expecting to see something fall here, but we don't see a complex until here. So those are a little bit long. Again, we match up complexes 6, 7, and then 7 and 8. And then we find here, this complex is also early. So number 9 is also premature. Okay, so what's going on in the two gaps over here? Okay, so if you can look here, I'm going to draw your attention to the TP wave. You may say that you may not recognize it at first, but it is more pronounced in the second or the fifth complex here. So this is the T wave beginning, and it's notched because there's a P wave here. You see the P wave occurs, but there's no complex. So it's early because the P wave comes in early. Remember, your P to P interval is regular and normal sinus rhythm. Okay, so that means this P wave is early. Similarly, that P wave is early. So they're premature P waves with no conduction. So they are a PAC, premature atrial contraction, but they're non-conducted. Okay, so the thing to draw your attention to right now is just the TP wave, and that's what's going to show you the evidence of an early beat. So you have normal sinus rhythm with 2 premature beats, premature atrial contractions, and then 2 non-conducted PACs. Okay?